In this demo, we highlight how to sync sale orders from Lazada to Power BI using HexaSync. In the Lazada store dashboard, let's create new order. Fill in the information for the payment method before making an order. The new order has been created with a specific order number. Now, we could move on to HexaSync dashboard to sync the sale orders data from Lazada to Power BI. Select Sale Orders Tasks. Search for a new order by the order number we have created. You could see HexaSync has pulled the new order information successfully. Once the destination ID is updated, we can make sure that the new item data is successfully pushed to the Power BI system. Let's go to the Power BI system and check the information. Select the Sale Orders in Tables section to show the list. Find the new order by the order number that has been generated in Lazada store. As you can see, the new order has been updated in Power BI. With this data, we could make a basic report in Power BI easily. The synchronization between Lazada and Power BI has been successfully by HexaSync. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Hexa. Connecting applications. Automating processes.